n'ogenda mu nsiko n'okusuubiza bannansi demokrasiya, wagenda maaso n'okola ekintu abantu kye batasobola kubeerawo kuwa matu na maaso mu budde obwo, wagezaako nnyo okusafiya n'okukola ekintu kye bayita tribal cleansing mostly mu Baganda. Nobody knew your mission. Tewali yamanya kyali kigendererwa kyo mu ntandikwa. Bannayuganda bannange, Baganda bannange, bazzukulu bannambi, ekigendererwa kya Museveni mu ntandikwa yali azze kusanya oggwanga Baganda. Kino yakikola okuva mu 1966 najja ng'akikola bw'afuuka lebolida n'akikola ng'akola kye bata ethnic cleansing eyali well planned.
Fenga Baganda. We shall crush those enemies as we have done in the past.
But I'm your servant. I'm not your servant. I am just a freedom fighter. I'm fighting for myself, for my beliefs. That's how I come in.
Now you'll see people who many people assumed were Baganda beginning to talk about who they are in Buganda.
Aid agencies. For the people of Chiboga, I wish to thank you very much.
Fenga Baganda. We shall crush those enemies as we have done in the past.
The issue is here. These Balalo have come to occupy land and displace people. There is a program, a deliberate program to make them settle. They are aided by power.
Isn't your argument a contradiction when you say Balalo are non-Ugandan, but you're saying these same people have army officers who are supporting them?
Kagame is not a Ugandan, but he was an army officer here.
So they were calling Kagame?
No, I'm giving you an example.
I'm asking.
There are still some non-Ugandans who are in the army of Uganda. Do you think the Banyarwandas have gone all? Some of them who were here with the Rejema, with the Kagame, with the who, they have remained in the army. And these are the ones who are called. And they speak in favor of this Balalo here.
Fenga Baganda. We shall crush those enemies as we have done in the past.
Ini ne Museveni olonda kana. Mnonda Idi Amin, iranze n'ekifani kya Idi Amin gye kiri awaka mu nnyumba ne mu office. Amini kijambia mukono gwa chuma tatesa ataina parliament. Kati owulidde ekigambo kijambia, owulidde mindset mu mwamutuma kijambia Amini yattani.
Batugamba yatta abantu ng'emitwalo
bakugamba gwe Bashiri wavuddeyo okunoonyereza nti kituufu Amini yatta abantu. General Yoweri Museveni yennyini yakyogedde omwezi gumu emabega nti Amini ne lwataali mismanaging eggwanga, they had an historical mission ey'okuwamba government.
Antu Museveni akyogedde. Twali ku lugendo lwaffe olwakabano.
The reason we fought Amin was not because Amin was killing, the killing people came later. But we were in our lugendo and our journey of Africa, unity, Pan-Africanism. Now we could see Amin could not understand.
As the top leaders of the movement, we humbly
take full responsibility
of all the mistakes made by ourselves, our agents, and representatives. We therefore stand here to repent and ask for your forgiveness and forgiveness of especially the people of Uganda and the whole country.